Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to use the formula Sumifs in Excel. After that, I'll be showing how to find the sum of highlighted figures amount in Excel. So first we'll be starting with Sumifs. So I have a data range over here with date, item, amount, and we'll ignore the color code for this part. I have the individual items listed out over here, and here I can use the formula Sumifs. Sumif Sumifs basically consists of three parts. They are sum range, and criteria one. You can have multiple criteria range and criteria in the formula Sumifs. So in this case, my sum range would be the amount column. I'll be facing the range, and my criteria range would be the items column. And my criteria would be pen, paper, or pencil. So first we'll go with pen, and I'm going to copy the formula over here also, and I have matched the total over here. If you want to check on the individual basis, I can go for finding the total of the pen. Total amount I have spent on purchasing pen. So here you go. You can see the sum over here, 470, and it matches over here. Next, while working on a huge data, you might have actually, like you might get, while working on a huge data, you guys might highlight figures that you actually need to work on. So you will be like, to find the total of these figures, you'll be most probably using subtotal over here and selecting the amount column, amount range, and you'll be using the filter over here, right, to find out the total over here. So I'm going to give you an alternate method to find the sum of these highlighted figures. So I'm just going to choose a different color over here. I'll go with orange. Okay. So in order to find the color code which represents the color yellow or orange, so I have to create a custom formula for that. So I'll be going to formulas, select name range, new, and I'll be giving this. You can change the name over here, color code, and what matters is what you end over here. Select get.cell. This part is very important. Choose the number 38 and select the cell. And I'll be removing the dollar before the number 5 and OK. I'm going to close this and I'll be entering the custom formula that which I have created now. So this is the number that represents the color yellow. Sorry, my bad. Just go and copy paste the formula over here. So I've selected orange over here, right? So I'll update it over here and update the formula once again. Equal to Sumifs, and I'll select the sum range as this amount column facing the data. Then criteria range would be color code. And here in this case, I know that the number 6 actually mentions, like represents the color yellow. So I'll be entering 6 in the criteria. And for orange, I'll be copy pasting the same formula over here. And I'll replace this with the number 46. Here you can see the total matches. And just like before, like we can just consider the total of 470 and 160, which makes 630, which is the high rated figure, and the total matches. So I think this method would be much helpful for you guys, and thank you guys for watching this video.